I'm with my beautiful mama. We are making Zereschek Polo. It's a Persian barberry sweetened rice. I cut up some garlic, and then this is some onions that we simmered down for this dish. We got some chicken thighs as well. We're making saffron, slow roasted saffron, onion, chicken to go with the Zereschek Polo. We are adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric to the chicken. Adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric to the chicken. Now we add some black pepper. This is saffron. Okay. Put all the onions on top. Got salt. Add salt. Take 1 chicken bouillon packet, split it in 4 and put it on each side. Finally, add oil. Next, you add water. Okay, place the lid on top, and when it boils, lower the temperature. This is going to simmer for about an hour. So this is the barberries. You put some butter and you keep spinning it. You put some sugar on the barberries and some butter. Mix it. Keep mixing it. This will make it sweet and also tangy because barberries are tangy. The final product looks like this. This is the saffron simmered chicken.